gentlemen, you have already learned that the Chief Guest, Minister in charge, Department of School Education, Higher Education and Parliamentary Affairs, Government of West Bengal, Dr. Partho Chatterjee, couldn't attend the program due to an urgent overseas assignment. However, he conveyed his best wishes for every success of the program. The address of the chief guest is available in the convocation folder and has already been distributed. May I now take the honor and privilege to request Hon'ble Chancellor and the Governor of the State of West Bengal, His Excellency Shri Kesharinath Tripathi, to address the august gathering and bless the students.
Honorable Minister in charge, Department of Fisheries, Government of West Bengal, Shri Chandranath Sinha ji. Honorable Minister in charge, Department of Animal Resource Development, Government of West Bengal, Shri Swapan Devnath ji. The Vice Chancellor of the University, Professor Purnendu Biswas, Shri Tushar Kanjilal ji, Padma Shri and DSc Honoris Causa recipient, Dr. J.K. Jaina, Deputy Director, ICAR, Srimati Mala Sinha, Member of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly, members of the Executive Council of the University, the faculty of the University, dear students, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and friends from the media. It's a matter of great pleasure for me to be present with all of you at the 11th Convocation of the West Bengal University of Animal and Fisheries Sciences. This university is not the only university of its kind, but is a premier institution imparting education and undertaking research and extension activities in the field of veterinary and animal sciences, dairy technology and fishery sciences. It is not easy for an educational institution, and particularly a university, to acquire fame for its high academic standards. It depends, on the one hand, upon the competence, dedication, quality, and high level of knowledge of the teaching staff, and on the other, the inquisitiveness and devotion of the students. It is satisfying that the faculty and the students of the university have fulfilled this expectation. It is therefore heartening to know that this university has recently been accredited by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research for a period of 5 years. In this convocation, 29 undergraduates, 37 postgraduates and 12 PhD students will get their degrees for the year 2016 and 17 in the veterinary and animal sciences. 30 undergraduates and 20 postgraduates and 2 PhD students will get their degrees in the fishery sciences, whereas 18 undergraduates and 8 postgraduate students and 1 PhD student will get their degrees in the dairy technology for the academic year 2016-17 up to 31st of May 2017. I congratulate all the recipients of various degrees and hope that they will effectively and successfully use the education acquired here for the development of the country. To encourage and inspire the students and the teachers, the university is taking active interest. Apart from 22 numbers of sponsored gold medals, the university has instituted 1 university gold medal for each of the 3 faculties at undergraduate level from the year 2016-17. These gold medals will be awarded to the students scoring overall highest mark in the undergraduate examinations. It is praiseworthy that the university has introduced Best Teacher Award, Best Student Award, Best Employee Award, and Best Parenting Award from the year 2017 to commemorate the foundation day of the university. I am sure that this effort will definitely motivate the teachers, employees, and the students to excel in their respective spheres of activities. As the Chancellor of the university, I can say that the university has been constantly and systematically making endeavor to add to and improve the academic fields by introducing new degree and diplomas, courses, and establishing new departments. The university has already implemented the minimum standards of veterinary education 2016 of the Veterinary Council of India and decided to establish two new departments at the postgraduate level, namely the Department of Animal Biotechnology and Department of Avian Science under the Faculty of Veterinary and Animal Sciences. I have been told that the ICAR 5th Dean's Committee report and its recommendations have also been implemented in the university, and to keep parity with all India pattern for B.Tech Dairy Technology course, the university further submitted a proposal to the government of West Bengal to open a new department, Department of Dairy Business Management at the UG level under the Faculty of Dairy Technology. The university has also decided for establishment of the Department of Fish Nutrition both at undergraduate and postgraduate level. All the above proposals have been submitted to the government of West Bengal for consideration. The main purpose of the university is to produce human resources for the development of the state of West Bengal in the respective fields of veterinary and animal sciences, dairy technology, and fishery sciences. The university has always kept these objects in the forefront and has been trying to produce quality manpower with limited resources. I need not dwell upon the activities of the university in detail, as most of you know about it and some have been referred to in the report by the Vice Chancellor. Agriculture is the main basis of India's economy. India has witnessed phenomenal growth in agriculture and food production, registering record productions of 267 million tons of food grains, 281 million tons of vegetables and fruits, and 11 million tons of fish. The production of 146 million tons of milk is highest in the world. This increased production of food grains and other animal-based products have played a significant role in alleviating poverty in India to a great extent. Despite above, the sizable population is still living below poverty level. We have to meet this challenge. Livestock ownership, an effective instrument for the livelihood and socio-economic transformation, provides employment to around 18 million people. It is the base of sustenance to almost 70% of milk producers who are mostly landless or marginal farmers. Livestock and fisheries are the main source of quality protein and pillars of food and nutritional security, employment, gender empowerment, and serve as a source of regular income. West Bengal is a major contributor to the nation's livestock and fisheries economy. The state accounts for nearly 9% of national goat and cattle populations and annually produces more than 5 million tons of milk and over 4 billion eggs, thus in terms of production holding third rank in cattle, fourth in goat, fifth in poultry, and seventh in milk. In the above backdrop, the West Bengal University of Animal and Fishery Sciences, being the only university in the state through its research and extension department, is significantly contributing in the development of rural economy by producing manpower in the field of animal husbandry, fishery, and dairy, and is striving to improve livelihood system of the rural farmers through on-field coordination with the line departments. Before concluding, I congratulate Padma Shri Tushar Kanjilalji, the recipient of the DSc Honoris Causa, for his immense contribution for the development of Sundarban area of the state. I again congratulate the recipients of undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral degrees, including the recipients of gold medals, for their attainments and wish them all success in life. I believe that with clear vision, pragmatic plans and programs and commitment, this university would be able to march ahead in its journey from better to best. Thank you. Jai Bharat.